Hi everyone, sorry for the delay in the video update this week. Today we are going to make a simple yet nutritious, quick and easy weekday dinner. It's the Paleo Pan-Seared Salmon with mixed vegetables. This is one of my many quick and simple recipes for busy working adults. It doesn't take much time to whip up a delicious and healthy meal after work. All you need is to thaw the fish in advance. The total preparation time is just 20 minutes, so let's get started. This recipe serves one. The ingredients are 150 grams of fresh Norwegian salmon, 135 grams of mixed vegetables. What I have here are French beans, green peas, and carrots. It's actually straight off the frozen vegetables pack, as you can see here. What you need to do is to take some of the veg and put it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you will thaw the vegetables. Next, you need unsalted butter to saute your vegetables, and it really makes a difference in the taste of the vegetables, trust me. And the butter that I got are from grass-fed cows, so they are not fed with any antibiotics, so that your butter is actually of the best quality. Instead of the normal salt and pepper to season the salmon, I am going for a little bit of a sweet taste to the salmon. So you'll need 1.5 tablespoons of coconut nectar. I'm using coconut nectar instead of honey because it's paleo. Next, you need salt and pepper to taste and olive oil. I get most of my groceries from Red Mart. Not only do they have a variety of healthy, organic, international, and local produce, they also offer free home delivery with minimum order amount, and the customer service is generally very good in case you need to refund for any problems with the quality of the products. So do check out the link below to access their website. Before we start cooking, marinate the salmon with the coconut nectar, a bit of salt and pepper on both sides for about 5 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add a slab of butter to melt. Add the mixed vegetables and saute for about 5 minutes till soften. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once it's cooked, set aside the vegetables. Heat another non-stick pan over medium-high heat and add olive oil. Put the salmon fillet skin side onto the pan. Cook for 2 minutes before flipping over. Remember to move the salmon around occasionally to prevent the skin from being burned. Flip over to the flesh side and cook for another 3 minutes. Looks like the salmon is done and we are ready to serve. Serve the salmon over the bed of mixed vegetables. And there you have it, a quick and easy recipe for a weekday dinner for any working adult. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have tried the recipe or tweak it a little. And most importantly, click subscribe for more videos weekly. And as usual, thank you for watching. Before you go, do check out my other videos on the channel and see you soon.